Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve battery draining issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. First of all, the easiest way to do that is enabling power saving mode. To enable power saving mode, you simply have to swipe down the control center and tap in right here. This will enable power saving mode. It will limit some of your device's background activities. It might also limit your health measurements, which you can actually change by holding your finger down on this icon, and after which you'll get redirected to the power saving menu. Here you can see all the things that it does, all the things that it turns off, all the things that it limits, and what it decreases. And you can also go to limit health features and disable this feature if you don't want the power saving mode to limit them. Besides, at the top of this menu, we'll see whether the watch has already learned our usage patterns and adapted to our usage. And below we can see the battery usage menu. Open it, and most probably you will see Google Play Store at the top of it, or somewhere at the top of it, and it's because the Google Play Store and Google Play Store services have been a significant issue for Galaxy watches, especially the most recent ones. So one other thing that we have to do in order to limit the battery drain is to go to settings. In settings, find the apps and open it. Here you're gonna have to go to app list, and find Google Play Store. Scroll down and select Clear Cache. Unfortunately, we cannot disable the background activity of Google Play Store entirely. So this issue will come back again, and then we'll be able to clear the cache one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.